Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a review on the brand new Anastasia Lash Brag Mascara. This is new-ish. It's been out for about a month or so. I just keep seeing this on their Instagram and them, of course, claiming that it's the best mascara ever. When I saw this come out, I thought, yes, I have to get this because A, it's Anastasia's first ever mascara. Like, they don't have any products like this whatsoever. I'm excited to get it, but like, I don't think it's gonna be all that. But as always, if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family. Leave a like on this video and also go follow me on Instagram. It's Kayla, ITSSKAYYLAA. Shameless self promo. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I literally purchased this the day that my area went into quarantine, or was like, whole city was like, no, everything shuts down at 5. Nothing's open. So I purchased this pre-quarantine or day of quarantine, and I haven't opened it since. It's been about 2 weeks since then, and I have been ready to test this out. I just want to put this on my eyes already. So as you can see by the packaging, it is very chic. In my opinion, I love the ombre packaging for things. It's just, I don't know, to me it's real sexy. I just love ombre thing. I love the box packaging. I'm still gonna toss it. But another thing too is well, it's very top heavy. Like, this is very heavy. I don't know if this is actual like metal, or it can be. It could be plastic. It's just very heavy right here in the middle. So I'm kind of wondering why that is, because compared to any other mascara that I have, this is super light compared to this. So it feels luxurious. I guess that's what they were going for, right? Now, when we pull this off, the wand looks exactly like, and I'll show you guys right now in a sec. It looks exactly like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise wand. Here's the thing, is that the L'Oreal Lash Paradise is a staple in my collection. Problem is, I can't use a mascara that I love too much because then my lashes get used to it. But as you can see there's a lot of similarities. The only difference is, I wanna say that the Anastasia wands, the bristles, there's a little bit more. But the shape to me is essentially the same. But it seems like there's more bristles on this one, so it'll probably coat better. But we just have to try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes first. And this will be the true test. Can I wear it without falsies, or do I have to apply falsies? I have yet to find, I love the Lash Paradise, but I've yet to find a mascara that'll make my eyelashes look like this, because that's essentially what I want to go for when I wear a mascara. That's what I would like in a mascara. So when I roll the brush, it gives me a nice little curl, and I'm wondering what this is gonna look like when I apply the second coat. Okay, starting to clump up a little bit. Do I see a drastic difference? No, but it is kind of giving my lashes an even coating. The more I do it, it's starting to clump up a little bit, but I feel like it is coating each lash compared to other bristles that I've used. I feel like this is really like getting in there. Like, it feels different than other mascaras that I've used. Now, let me do my bottom lashes. I've found a lot of mascaras that they look like shit on my top lashes, but when you apply them on your bottom lashes, they're like the best bottom mascara ever. In one sitting, is this something that like is drastic? No, but we still have to let it dry and apply another coat. I'm not gonna do it to my left eye just so you can see a difference. The more coats you do, the more it may change. It does leave a nice curl on my lashes, so that's good. Now I'm gonna go in with the second coat. With the second coat, it's clumping on my lashes a bit. Like, this isn't a mascara look that I want to go for. I don't want clumpy lashes. I wish I had like a little comb. Let's see what I have here. I don't know where my comb is. Okay, when I use the spoolie, it separates the lashes nicely. But still, this is like every other mascara that I have, except for the Lash Paradise. This is what it's giving me. It's not really giving me va-va-voom to die for lashes. Again, it's keeping a nice curl But besides that, it's not giving me anything else. I guess. I'm not gonna lie right now, guys. I'm very, like, what the fuck? And it's surprising because I literally had no high hopes for it. And I know this is a volumizing mascara. It literally says extreme volume mascara, bragging rights included. Achieve maximum lash volume and fullness you can't stop bragging about with this jet black ultra volumizing mascara. I just wasted my money. Literally as soon as the stores reopen, I'm taking this back. I've never returned anything, but this is something that, like, I don't know, the packaging's great, you know, it coats the lashes nicely, but it clumps. That's not volumizing to me. I don't know, like, clumping is just, it's not something that I want. With that being said, final thoughts, this is a definite no. I've never said no on my channel because I like to be optimistic, but this literally feels like a cash grab. Like, a lot of people were super excited about the mascara, including myself, because I'm like, dude, this is the first thing they've ever done. But again, I didn't feel like it was going to be anything groundbreaking. At the same time, I'm just disappointed because it doesn't feel like it's worth the $20-some. You can just kind of see, like, it doesn't do anything for my bottom lashes, doesn't do anything for my top lashes. I can use any other mascara and get this without spending this money. So, like, I don't get the price point. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could sell this for $7. Tell me the benefits of how this does anything for my lashes. Like, if it maybe had vitamin B5 in there, or anything to promote lash growth, or anything, you know, to promote thickness, that'd be great, you know. And I would be like, okay, cool, like, yeah, like, I'll use this because it's gonna be doing this. Oh my god, I'm reading the rest of this. Okay, so I'm reading the rest of this label right now, and it says, brag a little, apply 1 coat for defined volume. Okay, brag a lot, 2 coats for lengthening and curl. Do my lashes look lengthened to you? I don't know, dude, but my lashes look the same as when I apply any other fucking mascara. I'm getting heated right now. Total bragging rights, 3 coats for extreme thickness. Like, from far away it looks good, but I'm just gonna zoom you guys in so you can see, like, this. It looks like shit. I'm sorry, but, like, it's just clumping my lashes together. This is still not worth my money. Like, I'm gonna return it. I'm sorry, but this is stupid. It's a cash grab. Literally is, like, nothing groundbreaking. It's been done before. You can buy a freaking $7, now $11 mascara, and this does way better than this one does. I don't know why I have this, because this is all dried out. I need a new one. This is like $28 or something like that with tax. This $11 mascara works way better. But if you like the way this looks, then kudos to you, go buy it. But I'm telling you right now, this is a hard pass for me. Like, I'm gonna go return it, and I don't like to return things, but this is literally brand new, and it's gonna sit in my collection, never gonna get used, because this is stupid. Yeah, so nice try. They can work on it, definitely, for sure. Maybe do something different that actually lengthens or is dramatic. This is, as far as dramatic goes, it dramatically clumps my lashes, and that's not what I want. Yeah, so if you guys found this video helpful, then leave it a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button to join the K-Bae family, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.